How to create Gmail account without phone number. Alright, so you want to create a brand new Gmail account, but you rather skip giving your phone number. Totally get it. Let's see if you can make that happen together. Now, before we jump in, quick heads up. Google sometimes asks for the phone number for security reasons. It's their way of making sure you are the real person or not. You know, a robot army taking over the internet. But it's not always mandatory. So, fingers crossed. Are you ready? Awesome. First things first, open up your web browser. Any browser will work: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, whatever you are using right now. Okay, let me open Edge for now. You can use any browser. Let me add this one and let's go to gmail.com. Tap on it. And now on your results, you will see www.gmail.com or the google.com, and just under it, you will see an option for sign up. It's over here. Tap on it. Now you will be taken to the form where you have to enter your first name and last name. Last name over here is optional. So let's just enter our first name here. Then tap on next. Then you have to enter your birth date and a gender. Do that too. Then after filling all of them, simply tap on next. Now you will be asked to create your Gmail address. And here you can use the numbers, letters and PDFs as you want. The only criteria right over here is can't use the Gmail address that have been used earlier. So I'm keeping this one. And if you are happy with this, simply tap on next. After that, you will be asked to enter your password and confirm it. This is super important. Make it strong, that's hard for others to guess but easy for you to remember. There's a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Here you can see a password right over here. Simply type your password right over here. Then confirm it. And after you confirm it, simply tap on next. After that, you will be asked to add a phone number. Okay, here's the moment of truth. You might see a field asking for your phone number. Now, sometimes Google lets you skip this. It really depends on a few things like how many accounts you have created recently or if they think something looks a little fishy. If you see the phone number field and it says optional, or you can clearly see a skip option, the huge win. Just leave it blank and click on skip and move on to the next step. Boom! You are dodging a phone number bullet. But if Google is being a bit more insistent and the phone number field is required and there's no skip option, well, you can see here in my screen there's no skip option. So it means they really want to verify via the phone for this account creation. Don't panic. If you are asked for the phone number and there's no way around, you have got a couple of choices. The most straightforward process is just go ahead and use the phone number to verify. It's usually a quick SMS verification and it's for your account security in the long run. I know, not ideal, but if you want to avoid it completely, but it's often the easiest way. However, if you really want or don't want to use your phone number right now, sometimes try again later, maybe from the different browser or the devices as been said earlier. It might work. It is not guaranteed, but it's worth a shot if you are determined. Just remember, Google security is there for a reason. And after that, agree to the terms and condition. That is the final click. So I'm not going further and I will be explaining the rest process as I wasn't able to show you the process of skipping this phone number or creating a Gmail account without a phone number. So let me explain it. So whatever happened with the phone number, you should now be at the final stage. You will see the Google Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. Give them a quick read or just scroll through, and if you agree and it is, simply tap on I agree button. And finger crossed, tada! Hopefully you just got a brand new Gmail account, maybe even without using a phone number. So how did it go? Did you manage to create your Gmail account without the phone number? Let me know in the comments below. I am really curious. If it worked, awesome. If you got stuck on the phone number part, tell me about it too. Maybe we can troubleshoot together in the comments. Remember, Google system changes sometimes, so what works today might be slightly different tomorrow. But hopefully, this little tutorial helped you out. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.